Assalamu alaikum brothers and sisters, I hope you are well. In today's video, we'll highlight the contribution of Muslim entrepreneur, namely Jawed Karim, to the internet, and particularly in the form of YouTube, which he co-founded in 2005. Definitely, YouTube has contributed significantly to the human life and particularly to dawah opportunities. Now reaching to millions of people around the world happens in a moment with the advent of YouTube. Jawed Karim was born in Merseburg, East Germany in 1979. He is an internet entrepreneur of Bangladeshi origin and co-founder of YouTube. His father, Jawed Karim, is a Muslim Bangladeshi who works as a researcher at 3M, and his mother, Christine, is a German scientist of biochemistry at the University of Minnesota. He crossed the old East-West German border with his family in 1981 and grew up in Neuss, West Germany, after which he moved with his family to St. Paul, Minnesota in 1992. He graduated from St. Paul Central High School and later attended the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign Department of Computer Science. He left campus prior to graduating to become an early employee at PayPal, but continues his coursework, earning his bachelor's degree in computer science. He subsequently earned a master's degree in computer science from Stanford University. In 1998, Jawed served an internship at Silicon Graphics Inc., where he worked on 3D voxel data management for very large data sets for volume rendering, including the data for the Visible Human project. While studying at University of Illinois Department of Computer Science, he decided to leave before graduation to become an early employee of PayPal. While working at PayPal, he met Chad Hurley and Steve Chen. The three later founded the YouTube video sharing website in 2005, and YouTube's first hour video, Me at the Zoo, was uploaded by Karim on 23rd April 2005.
Alright, so here we are in front of the elephants. And the cool thing about these guys is that they have really...
As I said, he's the first person to upload a video to the site. This inaugural video, titled Me at the Zoo, has been viewed over 59 million times as of 1st January 2019. During Karim's time working at a PayPal, where he met the fellow YouTube founders Stephen Chen and Chad Hurley, he designed many of the core components, including its real-time anti-internet fraud system. After co-founding YouTube, Karim enrolled as a graduate in computer science at Stanford, while still acting as an advisor to YouTube. When the site was eventually launched, Karim decided not to be an employee, but rather an informal advisor because he wanted to focus on his studies. As a result, he took a much lower share in the company compared to Hurley and Chen, and subsequently became a mostly unknown third founder of YouTube. YouTube was acquired by Google in 2006. Despite his lower share in the company, the purchase was still large enough that he received 137,443 shares of stock worth about $64 million based on Google's closing stock price at that time. In March 2008, Karim launched a venture fund called University Ventures with the goal of helping current and former university students to develop and launch their business ideas. Karim is one of Airbnb's first investors, investing in that company's initial seed round in April 2009. Right now in 2019, Airbnb is valued at $30 billion. Guys, success is only from Allah. Jawed Karim proved this, that we can accomplish anything we want in this dunya, but at the same time we have to believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and in hereafter. We need to be humble and try to be more righteous every day. Sometimes when we accomplish a goal, we think, I did it all by myself, I did everything, that's why I achieved this. Well, stop thinking like that. The verse in the Quran clearly says, Quran chapter Hud, verse number 88, he said, O my people, have you considered, if I am upon clear evidence from my Lord, and he has provided me with a good provision from him, and I do not intend to differ from you in that which I have forbidden you. I only intend reform as much as I am able, and my success is not but through Allah. Upon Him I have relied, and to Him I return. Success comes only from Allah, only by His will. After the battle of Badr, the following verse was revealed, and Allah has already made you victorious at Badr, when you were a weak little force. So fear Allah much that you may be grateful. This was a reminder to the Muslims that any success or victory is from Allah and Allah alone. They shouldn't be arrogant and forget the source of their success. It's easy to assume that your success comes from your skills or knowledge, but that's not how a Muslim should think. A Muslim firmly believes in the verse that's mentioned in the Quran: reliance is only upon Allah. So next time, if shaitan tries to place arrogance and pride into your heart about an achievement you made, remember, success is only from Allah the Most High. So that's it for today's guys. Tell us in the comment section that did you already knew about Jawed Karim, co-founder of YouTube. And as always, if you like this video, then destroy that like button and let's see if you can reach up to 1500 likes, inshallah. Until next time, walaikum salam.
Subscribe our Sense Islam YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.